Ukrainian armed forces have killed 3 Russian colonels and seriously wounded a 4th one in South Bakhmut in Klishchiivka. The Russian command post has been struck. The Russian Ministry of Defense admits the death of Colonel Vyacheslav Makarov, the commander of the 4th Motorized Rifle Brigade, and Colonel Yevgeny Brovko. Russian mill bloggers also claim that the commander of the 124th Brigade has been killed, plus around 20 to 40 soldiers. We are seeing increased activity of Ukrainian precise weapons against Russian command posts and logistic targets, which is standard military tactics before starting an offensive. Russians are especially scared because of the latest British Storm Shadow missiles that have been delivered to Ukraine with a range up to 150 miles. And that's not the end of Russian troubles. The Russian Army's local military commissariat, recruitment office in Murmansk, Russia, is on fire. Inside the city of Bakhmut itself, very fierce battles are raging, and the Russians are grinding heavily with artillery. Although things have moved in the right direction on the flanks of the Bakhmut front, the battles in town are a different story. The 60th Brigade tank does roll into Bakhmut and do its part. Ukrainian drone-corrected artillery pursued and eventually destroyed a moving Russian T-80 BV tank, also in Klishchiivka. This is Bakhmut through the eyes of the soldiers of the Privid sniper group.
Обратно.
Походу сейчас там идет.
And the newest piece of Russian tech, the combat robot, is towed out of action. In the meantime, war films are already being filmed in Mariupol. Russians are probably making a movie how they heroically conquered this city. But they will probably be forced to do a sequel, because the city will soon again be in Ukrainian hands.
Бегают, я имею в виду там по подвалу, два человека, которые никого не ведут, идите сюда, как два человека.
And back to reality. Ukrainian President Zelensky said, "I visited the military base in Aachen, where Ukrainian servicemen are undergoing training. Together with Federal Chancellor of Germany Olaf Scholz, we talked to Ukrainian warriors. I also presented the soldiers with state awards. Thank you guys for representing our country. We are waiting for you at home. Come back and make our army even more powerful on the battlefield."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.